Hello, my name is Kaleem Kier. I'm the founder and CEO of One City Schools in Madison, Wisconsin. We're the operator of 3 schools, a preschool and 2 public charter schools. I wanted to take this opportunity while I'm here with some of our scholars to thank our Governor, Tony Evers, our Senate Majority Leader, Devin LeMahieu, our Assembly Speaker, Robin Vos, the 2 members of our Joint Finance Committee who co-chair it, Mark Bourne and Howard Marklein, and all of the members of the state legislature who worked hard and across party lines to deliver an unprecedented state budget for schools in Wisconsin. SB 330, which is the legislation that was passed and signed by our governor, was going to give a ton of support that is long overdue and certainly needed to public charter schools in this state. We were at risk of potentially closing our doors and not allowing these scholars behind me to continue their education because of how much we had to rely on private funding to cover the balance of what it costs to operate our school. So I want to thank you for working across party lines with each other to deliver an unprecedented state budget for our kids that's going to give our students an opportunity to continue their education with us well into the future. I'd like you to meet some of our scholars and to also hear from them about the impact that your decision has had on their lives.
They're gonna love it though.
Hi, I'm Christian and I'm 9 years old and I'm a 3rd grade scholar at One City and class president. I would like to thank Governor Evers and legislators for helping One City.
Hi, my name is AJ, and I am a 3rd grade scholar here at One City Schools. I want to thank you, Governor Evers, and Wisconsin legislators for supporting me and my friends here at One City Schools.
Hi, my name is Michelle, and I am a 4th grade scholar at One City, and I want to thank you, Governor Evers, and the Wisconsin legislators for making me and my friends at One City a priority.
Hi, my name is Rod and I'm a 1st grade scholar and I want to thank you, and I mean you, for helping kids like us.
Hello, I'm Travis and I am a 5th grade scholar at One City, and I want to thank you, Governor Evers and Wisconsin legislators, for believing in us and investing in our future.
I am One City.
I am One City.
I am One City.
I am One City.
One City!